Friends, welcome to my channel Maths by Jeevan Rathod. Today I am going to discussing the very important topics, that is the area related to the circles for class 10th. I will cover in this chapter in two parts. I will cover all your concept, all your theory, and finally I will solve all exercise solutions. Please watch these two parts videos till the ends and you will get a lot of benefits. Let's start the topic. Let us start the topics area related to the circle for class 10th. Let's start the topics. First point, circumference of the circles. What is the circumference of a circle? If I draw the diagram of a circle, you will watch this distance on this part of dot dot, I mark it dot dot dot, this all distance, this is the path of the circle, is known as, this path of the circle is known as the circumference of the circle. This is known as circumference of the circle. It is the distance from, if you move from this point to again come to this point on this path track of circle, so you will get circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle is given by formula, that is equals to 2 pi r. Pi can be taken as 22/7. If it is not given, if it is given pi equals to 3.14, you can use 3.14 if it is given. If it is not given, you always use pi equal to 22/7 in this place. And what is the r? R is this is the circle with radius r. R is the radius of the circle, given circle, radius of the circle. Next important point is distance covered by the wheel in one revolution is equal to the circumference of the circle, that is equal to 2 pi r. This is very important points you have to note down. Please note down the distance covered by a wheel in a one revolution is given by the circumference of a circle, that is equal to 2 pi r. How? I will explain. For example, this is the circle. When this moves on this track, let's consider a point A. When you move, this moves from here to here. This point also moves on the path of the circle A here. Again this moves, A will comes here. Again further it will moves, this A point will move on this track, just like I am moving this circle in this way. This point will come here, and finally you will see that this point again come to the point again here. So this is the distance which is covered by this circle, that is the path of the circle. This is equal to this part only, that is equal to 2 pi r. That is the circumference of the circle. Next, that's why always remember, distance covered by the wheel in one revolution is always equal to circumference of the circle, that is equal to 2 pi r. Please note down, this is very important. Next important point is the area of the circle. How we will get the area of the circles? For example, I am drawing the diagram of the circle. This is the area, this is the circle. If I will divide this circle into two equal parts, let's this region, this is the semicircle. If I divide this circle part into four equal parts, that I will get this quadrant. This is the circle. Again I will explain, this is the circle. What is the area? Area is the inside region. What is the area of this circle? All the inside part of this circle is known as the area of circle. This interior regions, this whole interior regions of this circle is known as the area of the circles. And area of the circle is given by the formula you already know, that is pi r square, where r is the radius of circle and pi equal to 22/7. This is the constant. In case of the, what is the area of semicircle? Area of the semicircle, this is the semicircle. What is the semicircle? This is the semicircle का half part. This is the half of the circle which I shown. This is the semicircle. This area of semicircle will equal to half of complete area of the circle. This is area of circle. This equal to semicircle is the half of this area. That is equal to half of this area, pi r square. Next, what is the quadrant? If you divide this circle into four equal parts, okay, that is known as quadrant. I am showing this part. This is the quadrant of the circle. This part is also quadrant of circle. This is also quadrant. This is also quadrant, and this one is also quadrant. This is the quadrant of the circle. How you will find the area of quadrant of the circle? Area of quadrant of the circle is given by, this is the fourth part of the circle, that is equal to 1 by 4th, or total area of the circle. Area of the circle is pi r square. That is the so simple way. You must learn this formula is very important. Please note down, this formula is very important. Quadrant of the circle, this is frequently used in the exams. Quadrant of the circle is given by 1 by 4th of pi r square. Understand? I hope you understand. This complete part is the circle, which is shown by colored part. This is the half of the circle, this colored by yellow part. This is the semicircle. And the third one, this is shown by the quadrant of colored by the yellow color. This part is the quadrant of the circle. Quadrant of the circle, whose area is given by 1 by 4th of pi r square. Please note down this very important results. And next one, last one, this important result is also very useful. Diagonal of a square is given by root 2 into the sides. I will explain. For example, if I draw it, this is the diagram of the square. Suppose ABCD is the square in which all angles are 90 degree. In a square, all angles are 90 degree. Already you know, this is 90 degree, this one is 90 degree, this is 90 degree, and this is the 90 degree. If you join diagonals, if you join any two opposite vertices in the diagram, this is the diagonal of the circle. This is the diagonal of square. Let the side of the square, side equals to a. Let side is equal to a. So this is distance is equal to a, and this BC is also equal to a. This is the right angle triangle. In this right angle triangle, I am considering only this part. This is the diagonal AC. This is the right angle triangle, 90 degree this angle. This distance is a. This is also a. You apply the Pythagoras theorem. Using Pythagoras theorem, you can easily find the side AC. AC equal to, AC square is equal to, this is hypotenuse, this is, let's consider this is theta, this is perpendicular, this is base. So BC square perpendicular square plus base ka square, that is AC square. This is AC. So AC square is equal to, BC is considered left side, BC is equal to A. This is AB equals to A. Putting value A square plus A square, you will get 2A square. And if you take root on both sides, so AC equals to root of 2A square, that is equal to root 2 into A, where A is the side of square, that is the side of square. That's why this result is very important. Diagonal of a square, AC is equal to diagonal. This is the diagonal of this square, this is the diagonal. Okay? So directly you must remember root 2 into sides, that is the diagonal of square, is given by this formula. I will use this result to solve the calculations. Please note down. Next, in our day-to-day life, we see the different examples of the circular region. That are the circular parts. That is the examples are given here. This is the wheel. That is also circular part. This is the part of the circles. We can say different types of design. This is the designs in the circular form also. This is the design. These are different types of washers which are also in circular shape. This is the cake which is used, birthday cake we use generally. This is also type of the in the form of circle. And these plates are also circulars between inside region. And this is the wheelbarrow. We can borrow. This is also the circular regions. So I see the cycle wheels, wheelbarrow, thela generally used, dartboard, round cake, papad, drain cover, various types of designs, bangles, bangles मतलब चूड़ी कंगन, noses, circular paths, washers, flower beds, etc. are the examples of circular objects. All are circular in shape. You must be remember in the circle. This example, for example, this is the diagram, this is the complete whole world. If you draw the diagram of the circle here, so you will get the three region. This is inside region, this is the boundary of the circle, and another part, this is the outside the region, this is the outside the circle. So there are three regions in the circle, that is inside, interior, interior region. This is on side, on matlab boundary of the circle. And another one that is outside this circular part, this region is known as exterior regions. Exterior regions. You must be note this, all these type of examples of the circular objects. Next important things is here. Next, this formula is also used in this chapter, that is the area of the triangle. Area of triangle is given by 1/2 base into height. For example, this is the triangle. If I want to find the area of this triangle, I will draw a perpendicular from this vertex to the opposite sides. This, let's triangle is ABC. This is vertex is from opposite side. I draw perpendicular AM. So what is the area of this triangle? Area of triangle will be 1/2. What is the base? Base is this side base. That is equal to BC into what is the height? This is the height of triangle. That is altitude. That is equals to AM. Height is sometimes known as altitude. Please remember, altitude means also height. Understand? And first model, sometimes if you get this triangles, what will the area of this triangle? You have to draw. This is the obtuse angle triangle. So you have to draw here perpendicular outside, and you have to find this length is perpendicular. Please note down this formula, 1/2 base into height. This is also useful results. In the right angle triangles, if you given this is the right angle triangles, so you have to find the area of triangle. So this is 90 degree. So you can find this is the altitude. Usually you can consider this altitude. So what is the area of right angle triangle? The area of this right angle triangle. Please remember, this is the right angle. This is 90 degree. It means this is the right angle triangle. What is the area of right angle triangle? The area of a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Triangle equals to 1/2 into base into height. What is the 1/2? What is the base? Base is, you can consider this side base. And what is the height? This is the height. This is the base. This is the height. Height equals to AB. You can easily find out the area of this circular region. Area means this complete inside region is known as area. This region is known as area of this triangle ABC. Here what is the area of this triangle is? This region, complete region. This is the area of this triangle. In area means interior regions, in enclosed part. Next, please note down this formula. This is very important. Area of triangle is given by 1/2 base into height, या फिर base into altitude. Next, I want to explain a very important concept. This is the circle is given, inside a triangle is given. If you find the area of circle means this complete region. If you find the area of this triangle, this complete region. I will use the subtraction. If you want to find out the area of this triangle, if you want to find the area of this, I am putting this marks. You have to find this area of this regions, which is shaded region. How you will find? So in the weak case, use the subtraction. How you get the subtraction? This is simple. What is the area of this circular region? I will find out this is the area of complete circle. This is the area of this complete circle. If I will subtract this triangle from this triangle area of circle, so you will get the regions which is left behind. I want to say that if you want area of shaded region equal to area of this complete circle, area of this complete circle minus area of this triangle. So area of circle minus area of triangle. Subtraction means you are removing this part. You are removing this part from the circle. If you are removing this part of the circle, if you remove this part of the circle, this part of triangle from this circle, so you will get the left part as the area. You will get this part, this region left behind. You have to find this area of this black regions. So you will easily find. You have to subtract from area of circle to this triangle. So you will get these regions. This is black shaded regions. This is the basic definitions. That's why I will use the concept of subtraction. This subtraction to solve the different problems, different regions of circles. Understand? Area of circle complete. If you subtract from this, again I want to explain to you, this is the complete circle. This you have found area of this complete circle, this area. If you subtract from this area of circle to this triangle means inside this triangle, if you subtract these regions, so you will get, if you subtract these regions, what will you get? You will get the remaining part of the circle. That is, remaining part is yellow colored here. This regions, easily you can find these shaded regions by using just like of these steps. I hope you understand. Next, let's start the lecture. You can solve this easily with the use of the formula. This is the area of circle, easily know pi r square, and this is the area of triangle. What kind of triangle is? If it is right angle triangle, 1/2 base into height, what kind of this triangle is? Okay, you can easily find out the area of this triangle. Sometimes we can use the area of triangles के लिए Heron's formula that is also used to find out the area of triangles. Already I discussed. S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. S, where S is the semi-perimeter, that is given by sum of all sides. A plus B plus C are sides of triangles. This is sometimes also used. Next, let's start the lecture. Let's solve the one examples first of NCERT book. The cost of fencing a circular field is rate 24 per meter is this one. This is rupees. In cost is given in rupees. Okay. The field is to be plugged at the rate of 0.50 rupees per meter square. The cost of plugging the field. So simple. You have to solve some steps. You have given, this is the cost of fencing. So what is the length of fencing? We'll find first length of fencing. Length of fencing is given in this per meter, in meters, equal to total cost divided by rate. What is given here? Total cost is given 5280. So 5280 divided by, what is the rate? Rate is given 24. So divide by 24. What will you get? When you divide this by 24, you will get 220. That means this is the length of fencing. Fencing is just like this is the circle part. What is the fencing? Fencing is just like a wiring around the circular part. Wiring means this is equal, this fencing is always equal to the circumference of circle. Fencing, length of fencing equal to circumference of circle. Circumference of circle. Just remember this result. Therefore, circumference of circle, that is equal to 220. That is length of fencing, we get 220. That is 220. We use the formula of circle. What is the circumference of circle? 2 pi r. 2 pi r equal to 220. We have to find the value of r. That's why I will put here 2 into pi equals to 22 upon 7 into r equals to 220. I will cross multiply here, so I will get r equal to this 2 cross multiply it here, 220 into 7, and this will comes out, divide by 2 into 22. So you can easily, this will be 10 times, this is 5 times, 5 7 are 35. So you will get, this is the radius of circle, that is equal to 35 meter. And I am going to find the area of the circle. Why I am going to find the area of circle? Because we have to find the total cost of plugging field. This is given as per मीटर स्क्वायर. जब भी मीटर स्क्वायर है मीन्स एरिया की बात हो रही है. किसकी बात हो रही है? एरिया की बात हो रही है. किसकी बात हो रही है? एरिया की. जब भी मीटर स्क्वायर है एरिया की बात हो रही है. That's why I am using the cons to find the, I will first of all I will find the radius of circle. That's why I will solve this and we will get the, this is the radius of circle equal to 35 meter. That means radius equal to 35 meter. Now I will find the area of the circle. The area of circular field. area of circle is given by the formula already you know, that is equals to pi r square, that is pi equals to 22/7, r square, that is r equal to 35 into 35. After solving this, that is always in meter square, unit of area is always, unit of area is always meter square meter. Here area meter, so meter square, that is cancelled by 5 times, so that is equal to 22 into 5 into 35 meter square. That is the area of circle. You have to find the total cost of the plugin. What is the rate? Rate is given here, 0.50 per meter square. Per meter square means 1 meter square equal to 0.50 rupees. This is given. I am using, since cost of 1 meter square is equal to 0.50 rupees, 0.50, that's why cost of this meter square, therefore total cost of field equal to this rupees 0.50 into this one. This is area of circle, 22 into 5 into 35. So finally you will get the answer, that is equal to 1925 rupees, 1925 rupees. This is your final answer. I hope you understand these questions easily. Small steps. First of all, the cost was given in the questions. Cost of fencing is given, that is equal to this rupees. Cost of fencing, this is given per meter, that's why we find out the first length of fencing from using the formula of circumference of circle, 2 pi r equal to 220, that is length of fencing equal to always circumference of circle, that is 2 pi r equals to 220. We find the first radius of circle. To find the area of circle, we find radius of circle, and then final we use the area of circle, that is given by pi r square, this area, and the cost of fencing is given, already given in the questions, that is equal to per meter square 0.50, 1 मीटर स्क्वायर दिस वन, तो एरिया ऑफ सर्कल जितना है उससे किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 0.50 से, तो यू विल गेट द फाइनल आंसर, दैट इज इक्वल टू 1925. I hope you solve this problem easily. That is the total cost of field. Next question. Next very important parts of this chapter, that is the area of the sectors and segment of the circles. I will explain this in the details so you can understand. What is the area of sector? First of you have to understand that what is the sector. Sector is the portion or the part of the circular region which is enclosed by the two radii and corresponding arc is known as the sector of circle. What is the meaning of these things? I want to explain this. Here I already draw the diagrams. This is the center of circle, that is the O, and this is the arc of the circle, that is the minor arc from A to B. This is the minor arc from A to B. This subtend the angle. Suppose this is the theta at the center. So the angle, the regions, this is the region, enclosed region, circular region, enclosed portion of enclosed circular region. Between this is the radius of circle, these two radii, between two radii, this radius and this radius, and corresponding arc, this arc of circle. This is the sector. In these regions, this is the sector. This is the part of the sector, and this is the area of the sector. This complete is the area of the sector. OAPB. This is the area of sector OAPB. This is the minor sector. And another left region, this all regions AQBO left region. This is the major sector. Already I write down here OAPB. These regions. This regions OAPB is called minor sectors, and the region which is left, that is the white left regions. What is the left region here? This other part which is left, I am showing with dot. This all regions, this is the white part. This is the major sector, that is the major sector. OAQB, O A, this Q and this B, these regions, that is dotted. This OAQB is known as major sector. I hope you understand. minor arc के साथ this is the minor arc, this will subtend angle theta, this is the minor sector, this is the major sector. I am writing here this region is minor sector. Above that region, this region is major sector. I hope you understand the definitions. And if this region, this is the minor sector, this is subtending angle, suppose this is the theta, this is angle AOB. Remember AOB, this angle AOB. This is the angle AOB is the angle of the sectors. That is the generally sector means minor sectors. We can sector means minor sector. So what is the angle of major sector? You know angles around at the point on the circle. This is the circular part, this is the point. What is the angles around this point of the circle? This is complete part, this complete angle equals to 360 degree. You subtract this angle, so you will get this exterior angle. That is equal to this, from here to this equal to 360 minus this angle theta. That is given here. The angle of the major sector, this major sector, this is major sector, is given by 360 minus this angle AOB, that is equal to here theta. That is angle AOB. I hope you understand this concept easily. That angle AOB subtract here तो 360 में से this is complete angle around a point is 360, तो you subtract this angle theta, so you will get this remaining angle 360 minus theta. That is the angle of major sector. Next, how will you get the area of the sector? So simple formula I want to explain. This is a circle with center O. This is the sector AB. Let's consider this angle equals to theta. AOB equal to angle AOB equal to theta. ठीक है, तो simply you know very well that's this complete angle 360 degree. This is some complete angle 360 degree by complete area pi r square. This is complete circle, this form 360 degree, this 360 degree with this complete circle area is pi r square. So 360 degree is formed by pi r square. So one part is shown by pi r square by 360 degree. And if you want to find theta angles, 1 degree की 1 radian theta radian equal to pi r square into theta upon 360 degree. This is the area of sector is given by theta upon 360 into pi r square. This is the formula of area of the sector of the angles, that is equal to, I am writing here, please note down, this is very theta upon complete angle that is 360 degree into, जब भी आपको एरिया की बात करेगा तो थीटा अपॉन 360 डिग्री लिख के आपको यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई दिस एरिया ऑफ सर्किल पाई आर स्क्वायर. दिस इज द कंप्लीट सर्किल, दिस एंगल थीटा, तो यू विल गेट दिस रीजन्स, एरिया ऑफ दिस रीजन इज थीटा बाई 360 डिग्री इंटू पाई आर स्क्वायर. प्लीज रिमेंबर दिस फैक्टर्स, थीटा बाई 360 डिग्री, दिस फैक्टर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. If you want to find area, तो theta by 360 factor remains same, तो area of circle is equal to pi r square. If you want to find out the length of the arc, here what is the length of the arc in the diagram? That is equal to AB. Length of arc is AB. What is the, suppose I am again writing here, length of arc is, suppose this is the length of arc AB. If you want to find out this length of arc AB, this distance from A to B, how you will find? This simple formula, you have to repeat this factor, theta upon 360 will be remain the same, and this multiplied by length of arc means complete circumference of circle से multiply कर दीजिए, that is equal to 2 pi r. This is the formula, two formula you have to remember, theta by 360 into area case pi r square, length of arc निकालनी है तो circumference of circle से multiply करना है 2 pi r. These two formula are very 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 important for this chapter to learn till the end. This formula you have to remember, simple way, theta by 360 multiplied by area of circle, you will get area of the sector. Theta by 360 multiplied by circumference of circle, that is equal to 2 pi r, you will get the length of arc. This is the arc AB, you will get arc of length of AB arc easily by these two formula. You have to remember, please note down, remember. I hope you understand. ठीक है, next. Now I am going to explain the segment of the circle. What is the segment of the circle? So you have to remember this definition is so simple. The portion or part of the circular regions which is enclosed between a chord and corresponding arc of a circle is known as segment of the circle. I have draw a diagram for you to understand this concept very clear. This is the circle and AB line joining two points on the circle is known as chord of circle. So here AB is the chord of the circles and this is the arc of the circle. A to APB is the arc of circle. This the region between this segment, this chord of circles and this arc. This region is known as segment of the circle. This is the minor segment and another one, this left part is major segment of circle. I hope you understand. This chord is here AB, chord is AB, chord equal to AB. This is the length chord and this is the arc of circle, and the region between these two is known as the segment of the circle. This region which is I said it here, this is known as the segment of the circle. This is also known as minor segment. This is the minor segment of the circle. What is the left part? Another part, this left part, this another right part, this is major segment of the circle. This is major segment. I consider this chord AB and this is the major arc. That's why this region is major segment. So I write down here A, P, B. This region. The APB is called the minor segment and left part AQB. This white part is known as AQB is known as major segment. Already I write down for you. I hope you understand the concept of segment. Now to find the area of the segment, how will I find the area of the segment? Simple way. First of all, to find the area of this segment of the circle, first of all you have to find the area of this sector. I will find the area of this sector, this complete area of this sector. I will find out first area of this sector and I will remove this area of the triangle. I will subtract this area of triangle, so you will get this region, area of this sector. So I write down the formula here. I will find out the first area of this sector OAPB and subtract this area of triangle OAB. Subtract area of triangle OAB, you will get area of this sector APB. You will get this area of this sector APB. Simple. This is the formula. Area of segment APB is given by area of sector minus area of this triangle. Subtracting this, you will get this region. This is the segment of, I mark it by star. You have to find the area of this star mark. That is the segment of the circle, this part. So complete area, you have to subtract this triangle, you will get this regions easily. To find the area of this segment, just you have to find out the area of this sector OAPB minus area of this triangle, so you will get this region. That is the segment of circle APB. That is the area of segment APB, area of sector minus area of this triangle. And how to find the area of this triangle, that is very important. I explain detail in here. Please note down what is the area of sectors OAPB. Let consider this makes an angle of theta degree at the center. So I will already explain that theta upon 360 degree into area है means pi r square. Already explained above. ठीक है, this is the formula already I explained here. You have to note down this formula I used, area of sector. This is theta upon 360 into pi r square. I hope you understand the concept. And most important, another results, if you want to find out the area of this is the minor segment, major segment. How will you find the area of major segment? Simply you have to subtract these regions from complete part of the circle. So you have to find the area of major segment, that is OQBO. ठीक है, this major segment ओ क्यू बी ओ, ठीक है, दैट इज गिवन बाई ओ ए क्यू बी इज इक्वल टू पाई आर स्क्वायर माइनस एरिया ऑफ दिस माइनर सेक्टर, minor segment, area of this minor segment OAPB. Another way you can easily pi r square my area of minor segment APB. I hope you understand. Sorry, I write down. This is the area of major sector. Then you have to find out the pi r square minus area of minor sector. That is the OAPB. That is minor sector OAP. If you want to find the area of this sector, so you have to subtract pi r square minus this area of minor segment APP. That is written here. These two results are also so simple, easy way. I will explain through the example. Now, most important in this chapter is to find out the area of this triangle. Area of triangle OAB. I will explain how to find the area of this triangle OAP. OAB. This concept is very important for this topic. Very important. Please, how I will explain in detail here. Please watch this video till the end. Next, I am going to find out the area in this area of this triangle AOB. AOB. I am finding the area of this triangle, that is colored by part here. This is the colored part. How will I get this area of this triangle? You have to find the area of this shaded region, that is area of triangle. Area को I will represent short form area dot, ठीक है, that is area of triangle AOB. How will I get area of this triangle AOB? That is very important part. So there are some constructions, geometrical constructions. First of all, I will draw a perpendicular from this center. This is O is the center of circle. This is the center of circle. O is center of circle. Remember, this is the center of circle. First step, I will draw the perpendicular from this center to opposite chord. This is the perpendicular I draw here. Let's consider this point is M, which meets the line segment AB at point M. Then I will consider congruent these two triangles. How will I congruent these two triangles? First, draw, please note down, OM perpendicular to this AB. OM perpendicular to AB. Now in triangle, this triangle and this triangle, I am considering this triangle OMA. Remember, OMA, this triangle. Note down O, this point O, M, A, triangle, in triangle O, M, A, and triangle, this triangle, another triangle O, M, B, this triangle. I hope you understand. Triangle O, M, B. You will see this OM side is common in this triangle and in this triangle. OM equal to OM, common side. What will you say? Common side. Next, you can say this is the radius of OA is radius of same circle. This is complete circle with radius OA. This is circumference पे पॉइंट ज्वाइन करेंगे सेंटर से, तो दिस इज रेडियस, सर्कमफ्रेंस पे ये पॉइंट बी है, इसको ज्वाइन किया सेंटर से, तो ये भी क्या आ जाएगी आपकी रेडियस ऑफ सर्किल. तो ये ओ ए इक्वल टू ओ बी होगा, बोथ आर द रेडियस ऑफ द सेम सर्किल. ओ ए दिस डिस्टेंस ओ ए, अंडरस्टैंड, दिस डिस्टेंस ओ ए इक्वल टू दिस डिस्टेंस ओ बी, दिस डिस्टेंस आई होप दिस डिस्टेंस ओ बी फ्रॉम ओ टू बी इज रेडियस ऑफ सर्किल, radii of same circle. And next, by construction you draw OM is perpendicular this one. This means this angle OMA, this is 90 degree, OMA, and OMB, this is also 90 degree. The angle OMA equal to angle OMB is 90 degree. So by using the congruence rules, RHS, this is 90 degree already given, opposite hypotenuse this side is given, and one of the two sides is given, this given. So we can use, by using the RHS congruence by RHS congruence. RH congruency. Area congruency. This triangle is similar congruent to this triangle. Triangle OMA is congruent. Congruent का symbol है. This is the symbol of congruent equal to triangle OMB. Remember OMA congruent to OMB. This is very very important. After by CPCT rule, by congruency of triangle, we know by using CPCT you can say easily MA that is equal to AM equal to MB that is equal to BM. So this distance is equal to distance AM मतलब this distance, BM equal to this distance. This is MA या AM equal to MB या BM. This distance is equal to this distance. It means M is the midpoint of this AB. Therefore M is midpoint of AB. M is the midpoint of AB. And next most important results is also, please note down, I will use this results. ठीक है, please note down. I hope you note down it. I am going to erase it and I will explain it further. Please note down. I hope you note down. Next I will use these results from here to here again. Next, first of all, you made these two triangles congruent. This triangle is congruent by RHS rule. Which rule? RHS congruency. RHS congruency. After that step, you see this AM equals to BM. That means therefore by CPCT, congruent part of congruent triangle, congruent part of congruent triangle, CPCT. Therefore M is midpoint of AB. M is midpoint of AB. midpoint of AB. अगर M AB का मिड पॉइंट है तो ये डिस्टेंस इसके बराबर है, तो AB होगा इसका ट्वाइस हो जाएगा. तो AB इक्वल्स टू व्हाट इज द AB? AB डिस्टेंस इज इक्वल टू AM प्लस BM. और यू नो तो AM इक्वल्स टू BM. तो BM सिंस AM इक्वल्स टू BM है तो ये दोनों इक्वल है, तो BM की जगह मैं क्या रिप्लेस कर दूंगा? AM. तो AM प्लस AM. इट मीन्स जो AB डिस्टेंस होगा वो AM प्लस AM 2AM के बराबर हो जाएगा. दैट इज इक्वल टू 2AM. दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रिजल्ट्स. नाउ इन नेक्स्ट स्टेप आई विल use this triangles only. This triangle, please note down, I will use this triangle here in right triangle. This I apply cos theta and sin theta only in this triangle. This triangle, remember this triangle, half of the triangle. This is right angle, this is 90 degree, this point is M, here this is O center, and this is A, and this is the radius of circle already given. By congruency, one most important results I will also get angle. This angle is also equal to this angle. Angle AOM equal to angle BOM. Angle AOM. AOM equal to angle BOM. BOM. That is equal to this angle. हाफ ऑफ दिस एंगल. दिस एंगल इक्वल टू दिस वन. दैट मीन्स कंप्लीट एंगल का हाफ. AOB का हाफ. हाफ ऑफ एंगल AOB. दैट इज गिवन थीटा. दैट इज इक्वल टू थीटा बाई 2. दिस इज ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट. इन दिस ट्राइंगल आई विल गेट दिस एंगल इक्वल्स टू थीटा बाई 2. एंड दिस ट्राइंगल यू हैव टू अप्लाई cos theta and sin theta to get value of this distance. I will apply this cos theta here. Theta is theta by 2. Cos theta by 2. Cos theta is base upon hypotenuse. This is base and this is the hypotenuse. This is theta. ठीक है. This is base, hypotenuse. OM upon R. OM upon R. So you can easily find out OM. OM equals to R. इस side multiply R cos theta by 2. ठीक है. In the next step you will use sin theta also. So sin theta by 2. Sin theta equal to, in this triangle sin theta, right angle OMPA. Sin theta is this perpendicular and this hypotenuse. That is equal to AM upon hypotenuse OA. OA equals to radius of circle. So I am using रेडियस ऑफ सर्किल। तो ए एम इक्वल टू यहाँ से आ जाएगा, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो ए एम इक्वल टू आर साइन थीटा बाई टू। इफ यू नो द ए एम you can easily find out the AB by putting this value of AM here. You will find the area of AB. Therefore AB equals to twice of this AM, so 2 times of this r sin theta by 2. After finding in this triangle, already you know this is the height, this is OAB, this is M, this is OM, this is perpendicular, this is base. So you have already find the value of both things, that is the OM, area of triangle will be area of triangle equals to 1 by 2 base into height, base into height. What is the base here? Base is AB, so 1 by 2 into AB base into what is the height? Height is OM, that is equal to OM. I am putting these values. What is the base? AB, AB is already I find out this value here, and what is the OM? Already find out this value. You can easily find out the area of this triangle that is drawn in the diagram. I hope you understand. I will explain this through an example. Easily you can find out area. Let's start a questions. Again I am writing area of triangle is OAB. OAB equal to 1 by 2. What is the base? Base into height. What is the base? This side AB is base, so 1 by 2 into AB into what is the height? Height is OM. This is OM is height. ठीक है, I am writing what is the AB. This is given 1 by 2, base is 2 r sin theta by 2 into what is the OM? OM is the height, that is r cos theta by 2. Simply you can solve and putting this value. But most important results is here. I can write down these things in a simple way. You can write down it in a one most important formula I am going to derive. You can directly use this formula in the exams. And by using the trigonometry, I can write down this formula. Because 2 into sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. I write down here 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Left part 1 by 2 r into r. I write down here. Okay, this 2 sin in sin theta, you know in trigonometry sin 2 theta equal to 2 sin theta 2 sin theta है, sorry theta by 2 नहीं आएगा, theta आएगा 2 sin theta into cos theta. If you replace this 2 theta by 2, so what will you get? You will get 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by, that equal to sin theta. So this value equal to sin theta. So that is very important result. R into r square sin theta. So you can find the area of triangle directly by using this formula. This is very important results. Please note down. You can find out the area of this triangle by directly using this result. I use this result. I can say directly. Already you know these triangles. To find the area of this triangle. This triangle. This is OAB. I am writing here OAB. Simple. What is the simple way to find the area of this triangle? Simple. This is the radius of circle. This is the radius of circle. The area of these triangles will be equal to this formula directly 1 by 2. You have to multiply both these things, r into r, r into r, into sine of this angle between these two angles. This was angle was theta, that was theta, so you have to multiply by theta. You will get directly this formula to get the area of this triangle OAB. This is the simplest and you can use in competitions also. This is very important results. This will be not written in the books, but you can use in the exams these results also. But if you get the more marks in exam, board exam, so you have to solve in this proper way. Already I explained here. Let's start the questions. इसका मतलब आपने एक रिजल्ट ड्राइव किया कि कोई भी ट्रायंगल आपको एक्स वाई जेड कोई भी ट्रायंगल है, मान लो ए बी सी, और इनके बीच का एंगल मान लो ये लेंथ दे रखी है, ये एंगल थीटा दे रखा है, तो एरिया ऑफ दिस ट्रायंगल निकालना है, दिस ट्रायंगल। तो यहाँ पे एंगल थीटा बन रहा है, तो ये लेंथ ए बी और ये लेंथ ए सी, ठीक है। तो सिंपली इस एरिया ऑफ दिस ट्रायंगल, जो ये ट्रायंगल है, इसका एरिया निकालने का सिंपल सा एक ही फॉर्मूला है एरिया निकालने का। इस कोई भी ट्रायंगल्स हो, एनी ट्रायंगल्स, तो कंपटीशन में भी आप याद रखिए एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल यहाँ पे ट्राइंगल क्या दे रखा है, ABC, तो एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABC। तो डायरेक्ट फार्मूला बता रहा हूँ, 1/2 इंटू आपको दोनों साइड्स का मल्टीप्लाई, दिस साइड्स दैट इज AB इंटू दिस साइड AC इंटू एंगल बिटवीन देम, उसका साइन, एंगल दोनों के लाइन के बीच का एंगल क्या है, थीटा, उसका साइन ले लो, तो साइन ऑफ थीटा। दिस फार्मूला इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, प्लीज नोट डाउन फॉर कॉम्पिटिशंस। ठीक है, लेट्स स्टार्ट द क्वेश्चंस। In a case of the circle, we see this was the radius of circle, this was the radius of circle. To find the area of this triangle was simply I use this formula 1/2 into this side is R, this side was also R into this angle was theta, that is sin theta. That was the results already I proved above. Let's start questions. At the end, please remember this. We can write the segment or sector, we will mean that means minus segment or minus sector respective and other stated otherwise। जब भी एग्जाम में क्वेश्चंस में आपको पूछा जाता है कि फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर, मीन्स वो आपकी माइनर सेक्टर की बात कर रहा है। कौन से सेक्टर की बात कर रहा है, माइनर सेक्टर की बात कर रहा है। जब भी आपको एग्जाम में कहेगा फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर, मीन्स माइनर सेक्टर की बात कर रहा है। You have to find the area of minor sector. If it is given find the area of major sector, then you have to find area of major sectors. This was the complete theory I explained about the topics, and the topics ends here. And thank you. I hope you enjoyed the study, and subscribe my channel for next updates. I will solve all the problems, examples in upcoming videos. Thank you. God bless you. Have a nice day. God bless you. And share with your friends, and like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day.